In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create worksheets on Canva vertical bar. Make custom worksheets for kids. Let's jump straight in. Open Canva on your computer or mobile device. And in the search bar at the top, type worksheet. You'll see a gallery of designs made for different subjects and age groups. Pick a template that's close to your idea or choose a blank page if you want full control. Templates are great for speed and consistency, while a blank canvas gives you total flexibility. Once your design opens, start customizing. Click any text to rewrite instructions or questions. Adjust fonts to match the age of your audience. Simple. Rounded fonts are easier for younger kids to read. Change colors by selecting elements and choosing a palette that's bright but not overwhelming. High contrast improves readability. You can swap or delete graphics. And if something doesn't fit your theme, search for alternatives right inside Canva. Use the alignment guides to keep everything neat, and consider grouping elements so you can move related items together without misaligning your layout. Now add elements to bring the worksheet to life. Head to the Elements tab and drag in shapes for answer boxes, lines for handwriting practice, and icons or illustrations that reinforce the topic, like numbers, letters, animals, or geography symbols. You can search for educational graphics and then resize, rotate, or duplicate them to build patterns and activities. Keep visuals purposeful. Too many decorations can distract from the task. If you want softer visuals behind text, lower the transparency so content stays clear. Build a solid structure so students and teachers know exactly what to do. Add text boxes at the top for the student's name and the date, and write concise instructions near each activity. Create lines for writing responses or boxed areas for multiple choice answers and drawing prompts. Use consistent spacing between questions and consider using a simple grid to keep columns aligned. If the worksheet spans multiple pages, keep headings and numbering consistent so it's easy to follow. Leave enough margin space for hole punching or stapling if it'll go in a folder. When you are happy with the design, it's time to export. Click Share in the top right corner. Then choose Download. Select PDF Print for the best quality, which ensures crisp text and clear lines when you print. Save the file, and you are ready to print at home. Send to a school printer or share digitally with students. That's it. Thanks for watching.